In this video, we're going to take a look at a form of Excel automation as implemented in a heat mapping system. And what this system is intended to do is to produce a heat map based upon certain criterion selected on this form here. And this criterion comes from user surveys, in this case for the consumption of certain meats, franks, bologna, etc. And here the user would select their criterion, which are then placed over here. So if I wanted to include another region, Northeast, in my criterion, that would come over here. And then when we produce our heat map, we can see that it's found 138 total respondents, and based upon the weighting of each of the categories, it's applied an intensity color for each of the categories of meats and the respondents' usage within those categories. So that's just a background. So in any case, the automation occurs here. When we can send this to Excel, and it will then reproduce essentially what we see here in Excel. So when I send this to Excel, we'll see it'll go out and it will reproduce that heat map for us in Excel. And now we can go ahead and we can see that it's reproduced our heat map exactly as we had it within our Access application, and including the criterion and the sample size.